Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Maths with Snehal. I am Snehal. I am teaching here 10th class Maths Part 1 Algebra. Now we start the first chapter, linear equation in two variables. Now in this lecture we see the concept of the determinants. All of you know that there are two methods for solving the simultaneous equation. That is, first one is the graphical method and second one is the Cramer's rule. Now in the previous lecture we solved the linear equation by using graphical methods. Now in this lecture we see the new concept, that is determinant, because for the Cramer's rule concept there is one basic concept, that is the determinant. Now in this lecture we see these basic concepts. Now we have, all of you know that how to represent the determinant. That is, the determinant is represented as A, B, C, D. This is the determinant. Now in this lecture we have to find out the value of this determinant. Now in this determinant there are two rows. All of you know that what is mean by rows and what is mean by the column. Now in this determinant AB and CD are the two rows and AC and BD are the columns. Now here we write rows. Which one are rows? A, B and C, D are the rows. Now in this determinant columns are A, C and B, D. Now these are the rows and columns given in the determinant. Now the degree of determinant is 2, because first to represent the value of rows and second to represent the value of columns. Because this is the value degree of the given determinant, because the determinant consisting two rows and two columns. Now we have to find out the value of the determinant. Therefore, and one thing keep it in mind, that the determinant is also always represented as a capital letters, that is capital A, capital B, C, D, etc. Now this is the determinants. Now we have to find out the value of the determinant A. The value of determinant is represented by the cross multiplication. Therefore, the value of determinant A is equals to AD minus BC. This is the value of determinant. Now with the help of this determinant concept, we have to see the Cramer's rule concept for solving simultaneous equation. Now we see some examples for solving the determinants given in your book. Now we see the examples given in your book. There are 3 examples given in your book. Now we see one by one and solve them. Now for example, first example given in your book is determinant A is equals to 7, 9. Now we have to find out the value of the given determinants. I said that the value of determinant is find out by the cross multiplication. Therefore, the value of determinant A is equals to 5 into 9 minus 3 multiplied by 7. Therefore, the value of determinant A is equals to 45 minus 21. Therefore, the value of determinant is 24. This is the value of determinant. Now we solve the second one example in your book. The second one example given as the determinant N is equals to minus 8 minus 3 2 4. Now we have to find out the value of the given determinant. Therefore, the determinant N is equals to minus 8 into 4 minus minus 3 into 2. Now the value of determinant n is equals to minus 32 minus 3 multiplied by 6 minus, here both the sign are minus, it will becomes plus, therefore minus 32 plus 6, hence the value of determinant is equals to minus 26. This is the second one example. Now we see the third one examples in your book. Third example given in book is the determinant b is equals to 2 root 3, 9, 2 and 3 root 3. Now we have to find out the value of the given determinant. Therefore the determinant value is find as a cross multiplication minus, now here root 3 multiplied by root 3, the value becomes 3, only 3, therefore minus 18. Therefore the value of determinant is equals to 18 minus 18, the value of determinant is become 0. Now this is the concept of determinant. In this lecture we see how to represent a determinant, how to find out the value of determinant, how to identify the degree of determinant, and how to solve the determinant. These four concepts are seen in this lecture. Now in the next lecture we see how to solve the simultaneous equation by using Cramer's method. So if you like my video, then share with our friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.